Welcome to Creative Angle by Big Phil. Today we are diving into an unboxing of massive Canon printer, the photo printer. First thing, this box is huge. And this printer weighs over 30 kilos. I think 32 kilos to be exact. So you might need your partner or a friend to help you to lift it out. What's inside the box? A part of the printer itself, we have a power cable and a print head. We also get a full set of new inks. There are 12 cartridges in total. You will also find a test paper from Canon and a CD-ROM containing software which you can now download from Canon's website. So you don't need to actually use the CD-ROM because everything is now online. Although if you prefer to use a software from the CD-ROM, can still use that. There's also some paperwork, which I believe not many people read and actually will have interest in. As you can see, the printer is already on a shelf and we bought that purposefully in IKEA, as well as a set of legs with wheels so we can move the printer around slightly just in case we need to print a larger print. Now I will install the print head. This is the heart of the machine. This is fairly simple. You follow the on-screen instruction and you place the print head in exactly this way. Next, I will install the inks. It is a very simple process, just clicking one by one. Once the inks are in, the printer needs to prime itself. It takes approximately 20 minutes. The process of setting up is quite loud, so let's leave the printer alone for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the printer to set up the heads and pump the ink to the containers inside the printer. And we'll be back in a couple of minutes. Now we're just gonna see a speed up video or some B-roll to cover that gap. We chose this model for its high quality prints and from recommendations from fellow photographers. It should handle thick professional photographic paper with ease. That's what we've been told. And that's what we've seen during the photography and video show in Birmingham earlier this year, 2026 to be exact. And you can watch that video by clicking this link, obviously after you watch this video. The hardware is ready, as you can see, but I still need to talk to the computer. In the next video, I will show you how to set it up with an Apple computer like my MacBook Pro. We'll also set up paper profiles to make sure that the colors match perfectly. In this semi-short unboxing video, and that's all. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. That's always greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay for longer with me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding printer. And that's it. See you in the next one. Cheers!